Hello, dear beautiful girls. How are you all? Welcome back to the channel of Safeera and welcome back to the journey of my fashion and my style. So, beautiful ladies, beautiful girls, today I am back again with another very stylish and amazing summer season collection of dresses. So, in this video, dear ladies, dear girls, you are going to find out more than 100 styles and best designs of trending, stylish collection of summer season's floral midi dresses. Those girls, those women who love to wear floral dresses, who love to wear midi dresses, especially in summer season. So these are the best and latest ideas, latest collection of summer season's floral midi dresses you are going to find out in this video. With in different colors, different styles, different designing. Beautiful collection, beautiful styles, beautiful designs, beautiful stitching techniques of summer season floor midi dresses for enhance your styles, for enhance your summer season's look and fashion. You will be find out A-line style midi dresses, umbrella style midi dresses, frill styles, rough work styles, belted styles, lace work styles, patchwork styles with amazing and stylish neck ideas and sleeving ideas. You will find out sleeveless dresses, you will find out half sleeve, full sleeve styles of dresses and hoops with beautiful colors and beautiful styles, puff sleeve designs, quarter sleeve designs, leather sleeve designs. College going, university going girls carry these styles and these types of dresses for their daily work wears. Floral dresses are most trending in these seasons. And these dresses are in chiffon fabric or in cotton fabric, silk fabric, and georgette fabric. Very easy to wear in summer seasons. All our plain style dresses, lace work style dresses, belted styles, ruffle work styles, frill styles. I hope so, dear ladies, dear girls, you are going to love these styles and you are going to love these designs of summer season's midi dresses. So must watch video till the end. Don't skip any idea and don't skip any styles of midi dress. If you are loving these styles, if you are loving these designs of summer season's midi dresses, so please, dear ladies and girls, do support me by sharing my video with your friends, with your relatives. And don't forget, if you are new on my channel, so please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. So after getting the notifications of my videos, you will never miss any idea, any collection, any design on my channel. I always try to bring YouTube videos and useful content for you. So for more amazing ideas, for more collection, for more designs, visit on my channel and watch other videos. I have already uploaded a huge collection of dresses on my channel, so you are going to explore in maxi dresses, midi dresses, skater dresses, casual wear, formal wears, and daily work wear dress design ideas for ladies and girls. So a lot of new ideas and new designs you are going to find out on my channel. So must visit on my channel and watch the other videos of dresses. I hope so, dear beauties, dear girls. You are going to love those designs. You are going to love those videos. Please do share my video with your friends, with your relatives. Do support me by sharing my video. Must watch video till the end. Don't forget to like, share video. Don't forget to subscribe channel and also giving your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye till the next video, dear ladies and girls. See you soon with a new collection of ideas and design for you. So till then, take good care of yourselves. Goodbye. Enjoy the video till the end.